Guys, today we will be doing an in real life MLB The Show 20 rebuild. As you see here, we have some nice 2020 Top Series 1 baseball cards, and these 20 players will become players for my team, and I will have to rebuild this team and make them a championship team. Let's see who we got here. Nice turkey red of Nick Senzel, young up-and-coming player. I like him a lot. John Means will be a nice starter for me. I like him. He's pretty young too. Kyle Schwarber, okay, good power bat in there. Can play outfield, and he can probably play catcher if we need him to. Luke Jackson, What is he again? I think he's a reliever. Yeah, he's a reliever. But I think he moved to the starting pitcher role last year, or he pitched a lot more games. Mike Tauchman, that's a good one. I like him. David Price, okay, I dislike him a lot, and his contract. So he and maybe Nick Senzel we can flip for a young, or a big player. Roman Quinn, kind of boring. Alex Colomé, he can be our closer. Joey Lucchesi, that works, I guess. Dylan Cease, okay, trade value. Omar Narvaez, okay, there's our catcher. I was hoping we'd get a catcher, but that's a pretty solid catcher. We could even trade him for another guy if we need to. We can be better. Reese McGuire, I'd rather have a better backup catcher than that. Matt Tice, good trade value, not very exciting. Daniel Vogelback, he can hit for power hitting first baseman. Hyjin Ryu, okay, not bad. He never does good in franchise though, I'm not sure why. And then, Mike Clevenger, okay, I like that. He'll be our ace for sure. Billy Hamilton, okay, speedy outfielder. Hansel Robles, he struggled with the Mets at the least, I can say that. But he's been pretty solid for the Angels. Tommy Pham, let's go. Okay, this is who we're building around. He might get traded, nobody's safe, but yeah, that's a good one. And Andrew Schaefer. Alright, so I'm gonna go put these these players into MLB The Show, and we'll get this video started. Here is our team, as you see, got Mike Clevenger. But I was going through this team, and it needs a lot of help. Hold on, let me get this tutorial stuff off. But it needs a lot of help. Let me show you the lineup. Juan Marquez, because it was a roster filler. Nick Senzel, Tommy Pham, which is cool, Kyle Schwarber is cool, but Omar Narvaez is overall pretty darn low. Vogelback's pretty low. Mike Tauchman and these two guys, and then our bench is pretty large, just because spring training. And you know, the first guy, let me see where they're gonna put us, or where they think 25th. Oh gosh. Of course we're a speedy team. So actually my pitching staff, I don't mind. I actually like it a lot.
Should I take a picture of that and send it to your mom?
And then I don't mind like this here. I have all these relief pitchers, Jesus. Alex Colomé is my closer though. I'd rather have him than Andrew Chafin. Although Andrew Chafin I'm actually gonna keep because his overall is pretty high. Although we need to get David Price for David Price's contract off the books, so I'm gonna do that right now. Wow, Alex Colomé. Let me see. Oh, let's just see what they're gonna offer here. What teams will offer. Brandon Workman. We don't need him. I don't like any of those trades, so let's build our own. And not the Orioles. Not the Orioles. I would like, what would I like? Well, let's go see what our team needs first. You know what? Might as well just send through spring training first and then just start this one. We get to go. Okay, contract extensions. Well, this is only a 1 year deal, so if I don't do it, all these guys are on expiring contracts. I think. Free agency. Ooh, Yasiel Puig is a free agent. You know, why don't I just go sign him? might do that. Yes, okay, shortstop. I want to trade for Matt. Because our outfield is actually pretty good. I don't mind our outfield. Let me go check that out. Okay. There, let's make a trade. Ooh, data pricing 87. Okay, deal is done. That is how it's done right there. We got let me see. Dylan sees his trade value's high. So we did just pick up Lourdes Gurriel Jr. because I know he's gonna get better. He'll get better over a period of time. Roman Quinn. Matt Tice. They want Alex Colomay. I'm not giving them Alex Colomay. Good y'all, Billy Hamilton. Where's Matt Tice? Y'all, Matt Tice. Jeez, Matt Tice has no trade value. Ooh, Josh Naylor. We'll do that right there. That's the deal. Yes, Brett Gardner. Okay, that is beautiful right there. So we have Brett Gardner. So now our lineup is looking a lot better. Where is he? Brett Gardner. So Brett Gardner. Okay, third baseman. You know, do we try to go all out for a third baseman? Do we? Because Dylan's a good major leaguer too, and we get money. Are we getting a little bit of money? I guess, but this is a deal that I'm willing to do more than the Devers. So now we're looking good. We are looking very, very good. What do we need? First baseman. That's an easy deal. And we can take out. We do this deal without Dylan Cease. Dylan Cease, whatever. Quinn, yeah. That's a deal. That's an easy deal. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's great. Okay, now if we go over here. Alright, let's see what we Torres. Things don't work out. This is definitely not the one. But Omar Navarez and maybe some Darnell. That's an easy deal. And we can take out. We can just do a 1-for-1 deal here. No, we can't. We should go with this right here. Perfect. Now we have a good catcher. Much money. Or we're in the National League, so we won't have DHs. So yeah, I'm willing to do this for the backup catcher. Even though I like Mike Talkman. Because Chris Taylor can play. I'm right. Chris Taylor can play a lot of positions. Yeah. And I think that's right. So now I just want to trade for a pitcher and pick out a pitcher. Because honestly, my bullpen is just fine. And you know what, we'll make a trade for a pitcher and a bullpen guy who can come in and play some bullpen, or do some bullpen minutes and stuff. Barbaro. Diego Castillo. This is the perfect trade. Yes, we just finessed them. Let's go. Okay. Now we're looking good. I think this is what we're going to roll with. Because we can have Darno starting. And DH, Chris Taylor can play DH, and he can bat last. But that is what we're going to look like. And if I have to switch stuff up, then we can. And I'll just send him to the... I'll send him to the end of the season. What are we doing? I'll draft. This guy looks like the guy we're gonna go with. He's 80 potential. Okay, let me go look at those guys actually. Oh gosh. Is Omar Navarez seriously leading in batting average? God, oh my gosh. No way. 97 potential. This is the guy. He's the man. What? We just got the steal. First baseman. He's a contact hitter. We can flip. Oh no. So we are not first, and we're down by a lot. Actually, a lot of games. Kind of disappointed in my team. I thought I put together a pretty good team. Okay. Go look at the trade block actually, because Miguel Sano. Whoa, he is raking. I mean, absolutely like it. Or relief pitching and Tyler Duffy. We can do Tyler Duffy and Trevor May, and that's what we're due. So actually, that trade was very good for us, and he's having a good year, and he'll lead off for us, or for me, and actually, why? No, Brett Gardner leads off, always. Always Brett Gardner. Okay, that's cool. And pitching rotation. What are we looking like in the pin now? Yeah, that's cool. That's what we want. That is what we want. Because Diego Castillo for Hansel Robles, because he's nasty. Standings. Wild card. We're 4 games back. Come on, guys. We need the wild card. No, we need the wild card. I could sign him. Just 4.5 games back. Okay, we need to make this playoffs here. That's unfortunate. Dang it. Well, that'll do it. Definitely disappointing, but I'll try it again another time. The Red Sox won. That's great. Okay. All right. Leave a like.